Hey guys, it's Fabio here, this is Yani, and we're back with another vlog this time. We're so happy. It's early in the It's early in the morning and we're going to Guelph on a road trip together because Yani tried to leave me in bed, but I decided not to. I woke up, got ready in 2.5 seconds, and then got in the car.
Yes.
And now here we go. That's why I still have the pillow on my face.
Because 8:30 he was still sleeping. I thought he was not gonna come. I didn't think he was gonna come.
Yeah, but if we planned yesterday that we're going on a road trip and then you go by yourself, it's because you have something to hide from me. So I'm coming to meet your lovers.
Well, we're on the car and we're on the way to Guelph where my family lives. We're gonna have lunch with them. I first have a photo shoot and Fabio's gonna chill at the coffee shop.
I have nothing.
And we're gonna do a photo shoot, family photo shoot maybe, or me and Fabio doing a photo shoot. We'll see.
Yes, I need a photo shoot, so we're doing it.
It's a bit early, the sun is not up. It's in Canada, the sun doesn't go up until
8 p.m.
9.
We're listening to the new Lady Gaga and Bradley Cooper song.
The movie!
I love that song. Shallow. Now stop, because copyrights. Wow, guys, look at the colors!
Look at the fall colors!
Wow! There's orange, there's green, there's yellow, there's some brown.
On that side.
I can see! See, Yani told me that I'm the vlogger today and he's already bossing me around like
You're not vlogging.
I am! They can see the trees. Right, guys? Comment down below if you saw the trees. Your heart is glowing. And I'm crashing into you. Baby, kiss me.
Fabio, get into it.
Before they turn the lights out.
Before the time has run down.
Before they copyright us.
In the darkest night hour. Been a long time since I came around. Been a long time. Kiss me, oh, get a baby down.
The colors, guys, are so beautiful. So beautiful. But it doesn't show well in the camera though. I'm recording with my iPhone 6 today. There we are, guys. We're in Guelph. Hey guys, so Yani dropped me off at Starbucks. He's mad because I didn't vlog anything, and he's right.
No footage! This is why I only do YouTube by myself.
By yourself?
Okay, I'm gonna by myself.
No, I'm gonna go on strike. You guys will not see me for another week. For a full week. There we go. Anyways, we're going to eat sushi now. We'll vlog a little bit of that. Yeah, we're going with Yani's family. I'm very excited to see them. We'll see you there. Bye! Hey guys, it's me again. Guess what? I forgot to vlog. Maybe Yani is right.
So this vlog is gonna be all of us talking in the car.
No, I promise. Now we're going for the photo shoot. I promise I will vlog.
No,
Watch
I have
out.
something to tell you. Gabby just lives down there with her new house. Can we just visit her for 30 minutes and then we go for photo shoot?
Sure.
We have a lot of time.
Sure, we're vlogging the Gabby's new house. There we go, change of plan.
Promise we're gonna vlog.
Promise we're gonna vlog.
Fabio forgot to vlog again.
Hi Gabby!
Hi! We are back!
We're back!
Guess what? Fabio didn't vlog again.
I was too busy posing.
We're taking 2 pictures first.
It was actually very, very cute. We went to the first location in the woods and we got some great shots thanks to Yani and his amazing ideas. YaniMakutephotography.com and Gabi.
Hey.
Find her on Instagram. She doesn't have it.
Don't have one.
Whoever can find her,
Get a prize.
get a prize.
Bye guys.
Bye Gabi.
Bye, Gabi.
Remember to follow her on Instagram.
Yes.
And now we're going shopping. Grocery shopping. I wish we were just going shopping. Grocery shopping and then heading back to Toronto with a T and another T. Yes, because it's Toronto. Okay, bye. Hey guys, back we are in the car. We just went for a quick grocery shopping.
Not sponsored.
Then we got goodies for the trip and now we're heading back to Toronto. So we're gonna close the vlog here. I know you really enjoyed it. So if you did, please subscribe to our channel because we want to do this full time, driving the car forever. And then like this video, comment down below and follow me on my Instagram.
I think we're going the wrong way.
Shit. Bye.
Wait. Bye guys.